How to fix the unstable network connection on CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are facing an unstable network connection issue on CapCut, it could interfere with the cloud-based editing, exporting, or downloading resources. So first and foremost, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. If not, you can switch between the mobile data for a good network coverage. After that, restart your router or mobile data connection to refresh the network. Additionally, you can just toggle on and off the airplane mode, which should probably help restart your network. If not, you can switch your current network to a stable one and try connecting to a different Wi Fi network. After that, head over to Play Store or App Store, search for CapCut, and ensure you have the latest version of the CapCut installed. Updates can fix network related bugs as well. After that, head over to your home screen and go to the CapCut app. Long press it and go to App Info. Then after tap on Storage and Cache and then clear the cache. Additionally, close other apps that might be consuming bandwidth or interfering with your connection. Also, turn off any active VPNs or proxies that could be affecting your network stability. Also make sure to give permissions to the application for network access. This is also in the app info section as before. Sometimes the issue might be on the CapCut's end. In this case, visit their official social media or website to check for the server outages. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.